Welcome! This video will show you how to create a HCS trip card for split trips from your job. Firstly, you have to create your locations under your master data delivery locations. On your job management page, select the container and click on the Create HCS Trip Card button. In the pop-up, you can see locations which are already pre-filled for you based on the job details and container status. Select the location type for your split location. In our example, we want to send the container to our own yard. After selecting your location, you may check for the other details and create the trip card. You can also see the route of the container under HCS Route History on your job management page. You may create as many split trips as possible. There is no limitation. After you have created the split trip, the suggested location for your next trip card will always follow the next location milestone of your job.